welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool eye glow effect on CapCut PC. So you're just going to add in the kind of glow and you're just going to kind of place it right when the person or like the character opens their eyes. So you want to kind of like place it here, and I'm just going to adjust the opacity a little bit, and we are going to add in a keyframe here and here as well. So I'm going to start the opacity from 50%, and then once it moves, move it upwards a little bit, like the position of the flare, and then move it again, and then just keep moving it, honestly, like here, move it upwards. It's not going to be precise, but you're also going to start bringing the opacity up. It's going to bring it to 75. Then here I'm going to bring it up. Then here as well. It's a little bit difficult to move it. I'm just going to bring it to 90%. Then 200, and then here it moves, so you're going to move it to the right, and I think that's it. Oh, we're going to, I think, add a keyframe here and put it back first. And here as well. Yep, still need to do it here. Then I will move along with the rest. And also at the beginning I'm going to turn down the opacity just a little bit again. And also here I'm going to move it down. Then once you're done with that, you can just copy and paste it and bring it over to the other eye. So paste it, right click, create compound clip first, and then move it to the other eye, and hopefully it will give the same effect without you having to add in keyframes again. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!